Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can block someone on your X or Twitter app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do: first you have to open up your X app, then you have to find the person's profile so that you can block them. I'm going to show to this person here that I want to block him or her. So to do so, you have to click on their profile here, though, so that you can enter their profile. When you have opened their profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you will see the block option here. You have to click on this option to block him or her. After doing so, a option will pop up so that they reconfirm that if you really sure to block him or her. So then if you're sure, you have to click on block, so that after that you are ready to go. This person will be blocked from your X or Twitter app. So this is how you can block someone on X or Twitter app, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.